Oh, hi. Can I help you? Yes. So, I saw this ad and I heard that you guys have the brand new, and it's exclusive to you guys, the brand new pumpkin spice drink. And I want, it's so close to fall and I need my pumpkin spice fix. Now, I looked online and it already showed that you guys were out of stock, but I know that's not true. Very, very good choice. Let me show you what we've got. Order up for Karen. What? Right. But so here's our pumpkin spice lineup for 2022, and these are our exclusives from Case. No, it's supposed to be a drink. No, it's a line of knives from Case. It's our exclusive series from Case for the fall of 2022. They're in our October catalog. I wanted my pumpkin spice fix. No, ma'am. It's not a drink. It's a set of knives. It's supposed to be a pumpkin spice chai tea, no frap, half whip latte. I need it in grande. I want to speak to your manager. I am the manager.
You know, we all have to deal with Karen sometimes. It's just the way it goes. But that doesn't mean that you can't get your pumpkin spice fix from us right here at SMKW. Now, we've got some really cool Case exclusives right here. So, if you have been waiting for fall, like I have, because, one, I'm tired of the heat. 2, I live in the mountains. I want to see the leaves change colors. And this is going to go with that perfectly. We're going to take a look at all of these knives. Now, we've got 6 in this series. All of these are SMKW exclusives. So, one thing that you do know is that you can only get these Case knives here at SMKW. These are our pumpkin spice saw cut bone, and these things are gorgeous. We're going to take a look at first the Trapper pattern, because that is definitely the most popular pattern from Case right there. And this thing is absolutely gorgeous. I love saw cut bone anyways. I think it looks really cool. It gives a really nice texture to it. This is going to be the traditional Trapper pattern, coming in at $59.99. Now, this is going to have traditional Trapper specs. It's 4.125 inches closed, 4 ounces overall. And this one's coming in with a 3.25 clip point and 3.27 inch spay blade. They are 1/16 of an inch thick. And this thing is absolutely gorgeous. You've got the what we're calling our pumpkin spice. That's orange dyed saw cut bone right there. You've got the Case Tradition Shield. It's also going to be an 8-dot tang stamp, and this is coming in with their True Sharp surgical steel blades. These are also coming with nickel silver bolsters, and like I said, that Tradition Shield, which is really, really nice, and of course made in Bradford, Pennsylvania. Now, like I said, we've got 6 different patterns in this. We're going to go over the, I guess, most normal ones first, most purchased. The next up is going to be the medium Stockman pattern. So we're going to take a look at that one up close right there. And this thing is absolutely gorgeous as well. Now, that Stockman is coming in at $64.99. Traditional 3-blade Stockman. It's 3.625 inches closed. Coming in with a 2.5-inch, 2.55-inch clip point main blade. 1.88 inch sheep's foot blade, and a 1.71 inch spay blade right there. Beautiful mirror polish finish on those True Sharp surgical steel blades. Again, with the brass pins and liners, nickel silver bolsters right there, and this thing's absolutely gorgeous. This is a 6318 pattern. And one thing that's important to note about all of these is that no two are going to be exactly the same, especially with the saw cut, especially with the dyeing of the bone right there on the handles. All of them are going to be just a little bit different, and for that reason, just a little bit unique. So I'm really digging this series. We're also going to have the Sodbuster Junior right there. That one's going to be a super popular one because of the way that these handles look on that Sodbuster Junior right there. Let's take a look at that one. Go over the specs of that. Now, this is going to be a classic Sodbuster Junior pattern coming in at $54.99. All the measurements are going to be the same right there. Features that 2.8-inch blade. It's 3.62 inches closed, weighs just 2 ounces, of course, with the brass pins and liners. No bolsters, and just a gorgeous, simple slip joint work knife right there. And this one's going to be a great worker as well. Really love that thing. And let's listen to that pop right there. Oh, yeah, I know you could hear that. Absolutely. Now into the, I guess, what you would consider the more niche patterns, the more collectible patterns. There's a lot of people out there. This is the peanut. There's a lot of people out there that collect the peanuts. And that's a really, really good-looking pattern for this handle material. Now, this one's coming in at $49.99. It's just 1.2 ounces, 2.87 inches closed. Got all the same features. This one's coming in with the 2.1-inch clip point blade and the 1.53-inch pin blade. And a super, super great little fifth pocket knife, little whittler knife that you could use. Absolutely love that one right there, coming in at just $49.99, making it a great entry into case collecting. And we've talked about that before. We've talked about, some people collect different series and want to get all in the series, and this is going to be a great series to do that with. Since these are exclusive to us here at Smoky Mountain Knife Works, you can't get them anywhere else. This is going to be a great series that if you want to get into and grab one of each one of these, that's going to be a great opportunity for you to do that. Also, if you collect a specific pattern, maybe you collect Stockmans, maybe you collect peanuts, maybe you collect the vault pattern each year, and that's why we went ahead and did one of the vault pattern in this pumpkin spice series. So let's take a look at that one up close right there. Now, this one is one of the best feeling vault patterns I've felt so far, and I really, really love this one. Let's listen to that. Yes, and you heard that right. That was a half stop. So up close, half stop right there, all the way open. Also on the secondary blade, half stop right there. So you got half stops on both blades, the main blade and the secondary blade. Now, this is going to come in as the vault pattern, saw cut bone swell center jack. And this one's coming in with the same specs as all the other swell center jacks. It's going to have a 2.25-inch clip point blade, a 1.75-inch pin blade right there, both coming out of the same end. Got that familiar soda bottle right there look to it, and just a great little knife, and going to be a great collector's item right there. So check those out. That one's coming in at $58.99. And then one last pattern. And this one, so I've got to say, this is one pattern that I do not own yet. And I've got a lot of different pocket knives that I've been collecting and have inherited collections from my grandfather and my dad. This is one pattern that I do not have yet. And I think this is going to be the one that gets me into this pattern. This is going to be my entry into this pattern, and that's going to be the rust lock. And I am really, really digging this rust lock knife right here. Love the blade shape, love the handle material. Because it is a rust lock, it makes it nice and thick on that handle material. So let's take a look at that one up close right there. So this one is also coming in with the True Sharp surgical steel on that mirror polish blade. 2.7 inch drop point blade, 1/16 of an inch thick, 4.125 inches closed, weighs just 2.7 ounces. It is a liner lock right there. So I really dig that, and I think that's what makes this a really cool pattern. I also like the blade flipper right there. So you just hold it and just roll it right open. I think that's phenomenal, and it feels great in the hand. I love that blade shape with this handle. I think it just looks so classy and looks so nice. Very, very well done from Case on this one, and I'm really, really digging that one. That one's coming in at $69.99. So, folks, this entire series is up on our website. We don't have them all in stock just yet as of the taping of this, but these might be all up online by the time this video goes out. I don't know for sure. It just depends on when we get the rest of these all in. So we are really excited about this series. Let us know what you think in the comments down below. I get really excited about especially exclusives when it comes to traditional slip joint knives. I think they're really cool. I think they're so special, and I absolutely love these. Let us know what you think about these pumpkin spice knives in the comments down below. Thanks. As always, folks, be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Be sure to follow us on Instagram, on Facebook. Follow us across all social media, because sometimes we do giveaways and do different things on different social media that you might not see. So there might be some stuff that we do on Instagram that you don't see here on YouTube, or there might be stuff that we do here on Facebook that you don't see over on YouTube. So there's going to be a lot of different stuff. So be sure to follow us across all social media. That way you stay updated. We've got a lot of really cool stuff coming up. So stay tuned for all of that. As always, folks, it's been me, TC, here with Smoky Mountain Knife Works, smkw.com. And remember, if it cuts like a Case exclusive, get that pumpkin spice, baby. Then we care. Hey, why can't you send a duck to outer space? The bill would be astronomical. That's for you.
Bring it down just a skosh. It's got the plastic piece. Yeah, that's good. Keep it safe. Biggest son of a bitch you have. Throw this at me.
Damn it, Chris.